Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. I know that it is sunny and hot where I am. So I wanted to share a couple of pseudo swipe experiments with you. I have done these a little while ago and just kind of forgot. I thought today would be a nice day to show you guys. Now I did have some fail sort of, but then success after. I tried to swipe with gold and pink cell activator and it didn't really work. So I ended up using the black cell activator, which is Amsterdam lamp black, and I used a half a teaspoon of that mixed with 2 3/4 teaspoons of Floetrol, and then 3 to 4 drops of the wood conditioner that I like to use. So you'll see here that I'm trying to swipe with gold, and it just kind of didn't work. I had high hopes, but it kind of didn't work. So then I'll start here in a sec and I'll be using the black, and I got quite a bit more success with that, you can see. And then I dip the paint or the brown paper, and I kind of just make the little swipes with it, and it seemed to work out quite well. So for those of you that are not subscribed to my channel, I would hope that I can earn your subscription today. For some reason, YouTube just doesn't like me. I don't know. They don't push my channel as well. So it really does help when you guys subscribe and like and do all the things, share. So go ahead and just click your mouse right on that subscribe button, or your finger if you're on your phone. Either way works for me. All right. I do appreciate it. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy this video, and I'll be back in a jiff. All right, so I'm back with experiment number 2, and I am reusing a small canvas that I had, and I am just going to go ahead and put all my colors down just willy-nilly, no rhyme or reason to how I'm putting them down. And all these colors are also mixed with Floetrol and water only. I will put all that good stuff in the description if you are wondering what brands of paints I'm using and everything and the colors. And for this one, I tried to do the swipe with the pink cell activator. Now, I did not use Amsterdam brand for those colors, for the gold or the pink, and I think that's probably key, is that Amsterdam paint works so well. So you can see when I get to the pink area or the pink swipe that it kind of worked. You can see it starts to, like, they start to develop, but then I just go back to my black cell activator, which is the Amsterdam lamp black mixed with Floetrol, and it's 2 3/4 of tablespoon of Floetrol to a half a teaspoon of the paint, and then of course the 3 to 4 drops of the wood conditioner. So again, I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask them in the comments below, and I do answer all of your questions. All right, so enjoy, and I'll be back in a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed my experiment video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.